I am the representative person of TGL IT Industrial Training Institution, which is located in Adoni, Kurnool district, Andhra Pradesh. Unnati Foundation, sponsored by Infosys Foundation, the skill development, English skill development as well as life skills, which is given by Mr. Kumari, Aruna Kumari, teaching his efforts full-fledgedly. The foundation achieved what their aim to the students has been efforts fully. It has to be continued in future as well as our students improved their learning skills and English grammar. It is good for our institution and ourselves also. It has to be continued in future for students which are belonging to the rural students. Well, good for students which are especially in rural background peoples. Thank you, Unnati Foundation and Infosys, conducting these type of programs. In future, it has to be continued, like maybe in another variations. The classes which was conducted by the Madam Aruna Kumari, well and good, and his efforts towards the teaching full-fledgedly. Thank you for Aruna Kumari and Unnati Foundations and Infosys. Thank you. This opportunity provided for our teacher institution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.